How to add a subdomain in GoDaddy. Easy step-by-step guide. Welcome to this tutorial on adding a subdomain in GoDaddy. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy step-by-step process of creating a subdomain in GoDaddy, a popular web hosting service. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add a subdomain to your existing domain and start using it right away. To start, you'll need to log in to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Domain Manager. From there, click on the Subdomains tab and then click on the Add Subdomain button. You'll be prompted to enter the subdomain name, which should be a variation of your existing domain name, such as blogged, yourdomain.com. Next, you'll need to select the hosting plan that you want to use for your subdomain. Make sure to choose a plan that has enough storage and bandwidth to support your subdomain. You can also choose to use a separate hosting plan for your subdomain, which can be useful if you plan to use it for a different purpose. Once you've selected your hosting plan, click on the Add Subdomain button to create the subdomain. GoDaddy will then create the subdomain and update your DNS settings accordingly. To verify that your subdomain is working, you can test it by visiting the URL in a web browser. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your website or blog content displayed on the subdomain. Adding a subdomain in GoDaddy is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require some technical knowledge. If you're not comfortable with the process, you can always contact GoDaddy support for assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on web hosting and online marketing.